Hello all. In this video, we will discuss about nested if statements. You can have if statements inside if statements. This is nothing but nested if statements. Suppose if we suppose let me take a real world example. Jeff Bezos is a billionaire or a millionaire. JB shortcut is I'll just take his number. I'll just type 36789. Yeah, good to go. If JB greater than 6, sorry, greater than or equal to, then just print Jeff Bezos is an millionaire. Millionaire. If again if statement, if inside if JB is greater than or equal to billion, just print is also billionaire. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.